Arijit Singh is a name that everybody is talking about right now because he has sent a shockwave in the music industry, and his fans are really worried that what happened, that he posted a retirement post. But let me start with this, that he is not retiring from music. He has posted that he will not be taking any more playback singing assignment. So yes, it's a sad news for Bollywood and the actors and filmmakers who always gain so much out of his voice when it comes to their film music. But now that won't happen. But also, that doesn't mean that we won't hear Arijit Singh anymore. He will be doing more music, more independent music, because he wants to explore more. Let me tell you what he really said in his private X account. He gave 3 reasons for quitting playback singing. So he said there is not one reason behind this. There are several reasons. Plus, I've been trying to do this since a long time. Finally, I've gathered the right courage. One of the reasons was simply I get bored very quickly. That's why I keep changing arrangements of the same songs and perform them on stage. So here's the thing, I got bored. I need to do some other music to live. So we know how much he loves music. He has been just not a playback singer. He has also been a music composer. He has been creating music with, singers and musicians from all over the world. So this doesn't come as a shock. Another reason is I'm excited to hear some singer come up and give me real motivation. He has been ruling the charts over the years, 15 years. Yes, he has given this industry 15 years. He started in 2010 and with a Telugu film, and then Murder to Happen, and then rest is history. So now he wants to give chance. I think that's a very, very sweet thing for him to say. Next, he goes on to say, I'm going to go back to Indian classical music. I want to go back to making music. I want to start again. So he's re-exploring himself and he wants to do something new. And I think, like he said, he's just bored. I will make my own music, will come up with my music whenever I am ready. He is giving hope to his fans that he is not going anywhere. Maybe better is gonna come now. And he also reveals his what's planned in the future. He says, God has been really kind to me. I'm a fan of good music, and in future will be learning more and do more on my own as a small little artist. Thanks again for all your support. So, like I said, he's always going to be here. But yes, he also says that, he has some pending work, and this year we will hear Arijit Singh in films that he's going to complete. So there are releases this year. He ends by saying, I still have to finish some pending commitments, will finish them. So you might get some releases this year. So we have no reason to be disheartened. We have only reason to celebrate Arijit Singh and his music. We are going to see a whole new side to him, fresh music, and the way he comes up with it. So I think it's a great news for fans and musicians and who love Arijit Singh all over the world, that we will see and celebrate Arijit Singh in a whole new way.